Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Naughty Buddy, and we are back to another PS5 PS4 System Software Update notification video. So, I just turned on my PS5 and noticed there is a System Software Update. So, I decided let's go ahead and make a quick notification video for all of you guys who own a PS5 or PS5 Pro so that you can get the latest update installed on your system and get the best out of it. So if you're unaware where you need to go to the PS5 software update, you need to head to the settings. It's right here. Then go down, click on systems, then system software update and settings. And as you can see, there is an update system software update available. So click on it. Since I'm using or downloading the software or update directly from internet, you can just click on update using internet. And as you can see, system software update will restart and PS5 system gonna be updated. Yeah, we know that. So let's quickly get into the detail of this update. So I'm gonna quickly share the screen of the the update page so that you guys can give it a read alongside me. If you want to open this page from your end, make sure you scan this QR code right away. It will open up the or redirect you to the page where they have all the change logs and update information. So give me a second. So version 25.02-11.0000. Alright, so let's read it together. We have made it simpler to view details about activities. Activity details are now fully displayed on cards. Potential spoiler will still be hidden. So that's something great, I guess. So then we have Unicode 16.0 emojis are now supported. You can use them in your message. Nice. When you set the parental controls restriction level to late teens or older, communication and user-generated content will now default to restrict. If you have previously set the level to the late teens or older, your previous setting will not be affected and it will be shown as a customized. We have improved system software performance and stability. We have improved the messages and usability on some screen. So I guess it's not a really bigger sort of update, but rather like some small patches. And this update rather is focusing on the emoji, utilization and user-generated content. So basically, it's for the parent and control restriction levels. If you have set it to your late teens or older, it will also now restrict user-generated content. And there is some normal system software performance and stability, and they have improved the usability of the messages on some screens. So I guess it's not that big of an update, but it's good enough. Alright, so let's quickly go ahead and click on that update. Ooh. Alright, so we are currently downloading the update file. It's 1.347 GB. It's gonna take a couple of seconds. Alright, I guess system software update has been downloaded successfully and is now restarting the PS5. Once it gets restarted, it will then install the system software update and then it will go for another restart process or reboot process, and that's where we will know that it's there. Alright, so all the installation files have been downloaded and I believe system software has also been installed. It's gonna restart any moment now. There. So finally the installation has been completed and my PS5 has been successfully booted. There we go. So let's quickly give it a check and see if the update has gone through properly. So you need to go to the settings again. Then click on system software update and settings, and as you can see, update system software is up to date. So that's how, guys, you need to quickly install any sort of latest system software update when it comes to PS4 or PS5 and PS5 Pro as well. So that being said, guys, this was a quick tutorial or a quick notification video to all those amazing PS5 owners out there, and as well as PS5 Pro owners out there who haven't had the time or to keep up to date with all this update. Make sure you go ahead and view this video and update your PS5 right away so that it provides you all the latest features. You don't have to do the updates directly. If you want, you can give it a couple of days, let the update gets globally released everywhere, and if you want to check out all the reviews, you can do so as well before installing it. make sure that you do it eventually, because if you don't and if you run out of, like, I believe that you are permitted to be on the older software for a couple of days or weeks. After that, you won't be able to use any sort of PSN or PlayStation Network features. So that being said, once again, thank you so much everyone for watching the video until the end. Hopefully the video wasn't too long. If you're new to this channel, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell icon. And if you are on Discord and if you have any question pertaining to this system software update or any sort of question related to PS5 system software in general, make sure you do join my Discord server. The link is in the description. As well, I will put it on my end screen. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Stay awesome. And hopefully I will see you all soon on my streams. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.